We are delighted to offer you a comparison of different diets. To watch more videos such as this, please subscribe to our channel. I would be grateful for your feedback in the comments section after each video, and I look forward to your replies. It is not uncommon for different diets to gain and lose popularity over time. The ketogenic diet, which emphasizes high fat and low carbohydrate intake, and the carnivore diet, which is based on eating mostly meat, have gained significant attention in recent years. However, as with any diet, it is possible that interest in these diets may decline in the future. In this video, we will explore whether the paleo diet is making a return given the ending of the popular keto and carnivore diets. One potential reason for this decline is that some people may find these diets difficult to sustain long-term. The ketogenic diet can be challenging to follow due to its restrictive nature, and the carnivore diet can be difficult to maintain because of its limited food options. Additionally, some people may find that these diets do not work well for them, or that they experience negative side effects. On the other hand, it is possible that the paleo diet, which emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods, may see a resurgence in popularity. The idea behind the paleo diet is similar to that of the ketogenic and carnivore diets, in that it emphasizes the consumption of nutrient-dense foods and discourages the consumption of processed foods. However, the paleo diet places a greater emphasis on the consumption of fruits and vegetables, which are often limited on the ketogenic and carnivore diets. Additionally, it allows for a wider range of food choices, which makes it more sustainable for many people in the long run. Another reason why paleo may see a comeback is that it's also a holistic approach to eating. It not only encourages nutrient-dense foods, but also encourages an active lifestyle, adequate sleep, and stress management, which are all important factors in overall health and well-being. It's important to note that the best diet is one that is sustainable and works for the individual. Every person has different dietary needs, and different dietary patterns may work better for different people. It's also important to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. In conclusion, while the ketogenic and carnivore diets may have had their moment in the spotlight, it's possible that they may not be sustainable or suitable for everyone in the long term. The paleo diet, with its emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods and a holistic approach, may be a more sustainable and well-rounded option for many people. What did you learn in this video? Please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Also, let me know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video.